Hi guys, one thing to do, I think it's the last one, then it's thorough testing. So the one that needs to be done is, or needs to be checked, is install packages from file. And the button here is supposed to go somewhere. The button that we've created there is called, this one close, that one close. We're installing. This is a entry, if I'm not wrong. On find path gives a signal that says go on find path, and that means that I go to on find path and I open up, well, I print path, it seems. So not necessary until, of course, maybe it's fixed, we can delete it. Then we're gonna choose a file chooser dialog. Please choose a file and a file filter, text filters and all that. Okay, what happens now to it? When I click on it, this happens. Self packages path get text 606. 606, 606. Wait. Let's have a look. I go to here, and this doesn't make sense for him. Of course not. So we better throw a print path to understand what's going on. On Pacman install packages. Something different. Now I just happen to have something here, a test file. So this needs to be checked. Any messages beside the dbus, you can ignore the dbus things. It says path. Print path, and it types path. No. This is coming from somewhere. On find path. Print path. Oh, that's this line. Yeah, it's not that one, it's that one. On print path. So that doesn't make sense at all to put it there. We open up a GTK file chooser. Please choose a file. And we're gonna filter everything, set the names, text the file, dialog. And then we get this, open response. This thing, packages path. How did we call that thing? This thing has also a name. Isn't that not packages path then? So this is for us packages path, and here we're gonna find the path, packages path. So basically we're not gonna add anything here. Activate, copy clipboard, I don't think so. But I need the variable packages path. Save. Oola. Yeah. Oh my god. I suppose let's do a save anyway. I suppose he is having trouble with... No, it's gone. So our experiment here is gone. And that's cool. I need the system. Where is packages path mentioned? Control find 5 times. And then we go here, and here we're just going to read everything, and line per line we install it. Okay, so that's the least of our worries. We need to go up there, and if there is no file, it should actually say choose a file first, and it doesn't. If we click here, install, he's not saying that. So self packages path set text, choose a file first. If else, if the length of the path, and that's the problem, the path. Where's the path coming from? Find up on find path. That's something else. I think we don't need to go up, but I have to check anyway. Path, 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 path. No, not here. So we're back at the bottom. Here it starts. But why did I do this? After I look for path. Save. Self packages text set text. Dialog get file name. It's the same thing again. I need to get a variable from somewhere. Here I'm gonna find it. And here I'm gonna do this. I need to set a variable. Self.packages path set text get file name. How was it in the past? So this thing, how was it here? Oh. Control. So that's our entry. Packages path. This one is packages path. Now I wonder if anything changes if I do packages path, because last time we had to change everything here, but this time it feels like, yeah, the guy needs a name. Style classes, nah. How can I know what it is? Right. Desktop, this one. Open it up. This is not normal. I should be able to click it. But it still says the same thing. Self packages path, set text, get the file name. Ooh, again, killing me slowly. Dialog, get file name. Here it goes wrong. This is empty. So, if that is empty, what if I declare this one again at the top, just like the others? Now this one, what's in there? Nothing. For now. But when I launch this, it's a pathway, right? It's not true, it's not false. It's a text. That's new. String object has no attribute get text. So it thinks it's a string. Okay, I thought a path would be a string, wouldn't it? I never did this before without anything. Packages path. No, not gonna work. What is this? Self packages path. Set text dialog get file name. Okay. Print this. What is this? Print all of that. What does it contain? That one. We're in on Pacman install 607. 607 is where we were. And did it print now something? nothing printed because it doesn't get it. This one. I have problems with my variables. Things that come in needs to jump from here to here. That calls for a search on the internet. Okay, I read a little bit of code somewhere, but not getting any closer. But what I do, packages p. Packages p equals this thing. And I declare packages p path in and put it all the way at the top before all the defs start. Def and put it in init equals nothing. Probably gonna need you everywhere, so self like that. Self packages p is whatever you throw at me. And the path is then self packages p. So via another variable, I get this in here, and then I can grab it again in here, and then the rest can continue with the word path. Save. Whoa. Nope. 634. There's still a reference to 634 that I forgot. 634. Here. So packages P, I guess. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. But he's going in here. Oh, that's a good thing. Choose a file first, right? First select the file. So that's working. That's encouraging. Choose a file first. Now we're there. String object is not callable. Okay, then we don't call you. That's okay. We don't need you. Stay away. Please select the file. That's better. Then I go to the desktop, go choose my file, say open, and it won't close. So this is something that we still need to figure out, because we can't get the path to filled in there. Unless I cannot get this in there. Oh. Wow. What's happening there? Install signal. Okay. Okay. Shouldn't it be this one? Control C. If we click, we install, save. First select the file. That's the problem. So Control V. No. Copy. Control V. This is what I would like to have. And it keeps on saying first select a file. That's an interesting thing. That means it's in the if and the else. So if length path is bigger than 1 and not path, choose a file first, then first select the file. So the path is empty. So no typos, self packages. So what we get is empty. This might be just empty. Probably is. Often I like to do this like that you say Eric. I always see my own word name somewhere and a long list of code. And then print path. Save. Click, click, click. I print Eric. So I'm going in here, but the path underneath is so empty, right? An empty line. So my problem is, even though I cheat, right? Even though I put something in here, he is not reading it. He is not getting it. So the package is SP. Here we're going to set it. Self packages path, and our idea was that maybe we should give this a name, a widget name. Packages path, but how can I put something in there? Can I set something in there? Well, you have the code, huh? You have the code. Let's have a look at the... Where is the code? I think it should be here. All the log stuff. If we look at that with Sublime Text, then we have this particular thing. It's further, backband click, fixed key, best art server, mirror list, remove, packages installation. There's the git packages path entry. Object class is GTK entry. Can I use this? I wouldn't know how. Another challenge. There's something I'm not seeing, and it's already 24 minutes, so it doesn't really make sense. And this is when you stop making videos, and then yeah, I have to tell it later what the solution is if I don't see it. It's already quite late. So it will not come today, that solution. Alright, as usual, walk away, best tip ever, walk away, and come back with fresh eyes in the morning. Alright, cheers.